Alrighty. Alrighty then. Yes, Honda. HRA214. Overhead valve. Easy start. Oh, I think my wife just ran out of gas on the lawnmower. Okay. I'm not sure on these. But I think the on-off for the carburetor is in that position. So let's just let it sit for a minute. Put it on choke. This is the one with the clutch valve, with the clutch engagement for the blade. Never checked the gas. It has a little bit of oil. Well, we might have to put it up on the hoist. So, you just saw the shape of the carb bowl. I think we're going to have to take this carburetor off and clean it. Okay, let's go. Are we still recording? We're going to get this carburetor off of here. Alright, carb clean. This one's not going to be fancy. It looks to me like most of the stuff just stuck to the bottom of the bowl. Okay, I need a new can of this. Yes, it's $7 a can, but look what it does. I probably get 5 or 6 carbs out of that. It's good. This carburetor wasn't as dirty as I thought it was going to be. Okay, this is where I gotta show you this, guys. Carburetors 101, right? No, I got a brand new matchstick for the straight one. Okay, here we go. So right now we can't shoot through there, right? I'll go wash my hands right after this. Look at that. Isn't that a beautiful thing? Good. Okay, put that in there. Now we have to do that on each one of these holes. And we'll just clean off the end of that. Oh yeah, I think this carburetor is ready to go. Let me go wash my hands. Be right back. Interesting stuff, guys. When I took this blade off, that's the sharpened piece right there. It's getting old. I took the cover off like this, and you can see the bolt indentations with the washers right there. But I think that's wrong. I think the blade goes on like that, but this cups to the back like that so that there's no chance for looseness. I think for years it's been on backwards. We'll see. It might change the height and everything. Maybe I was wrong. No, I think that's perfect. I think that's how it's supposed to go, guys. Okay, now we just need some oil in this bad boy. We got an air cleaner. Oh, I haven't taken the spark plug out yet. Wow, it's been quite a day. Like a working day, not a playing day. Oil, we need oil for that guy. Right here. And while we're doing that, pump this and we'll it's got gas, got do. That's about it. Okay, one last thing to check. Being as it runs, ooh, that's a 3/4 inch. Oh, you got the wrong plug in there too. Oh, what the heck? 5/8. I'm getting worried now. It needs a BPR 6ES. That's the wrong plug.